Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.